it just makes you feel loved. Just to have that welcome home, someone that's so excited to see you. They'll know if we come up in our car, he perches up in the wall. We just thought it would suit him to have company in the house, so we thought we would get him a little brother. Make you a friend.
He's falling on.
We knew right away he was going to be the best big brother.
Benny was so small at the time, he could only put his paws up. Benny is always looking at what Tierney is doing and always wanting to copy it. They go to the beach every day together. Before I would just come home to one dog, but now it's 2 dogs. And it's just such a good feeling.